Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Fact Fusion, your one stop shop for the most mind boggling facts about, well, everything. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and been like, dude, what the hell is going on up there? I mean, space is huge, like really huge, and it's full of secrets that'll make your brain go poof. But don't worry, your boy Fact Fusion is here to break it down for you. In this video, we're going to be diving deep into the cosmos to uncover 10 space facts that are so insane, so unbelievable, that you'll be questioning everything you thought you knew about the universe. We're talking black holes, exploding stars, planets hotter than your ex's mixtape after you returned it. So buckle up, space cadets, because this is going to be one wild ride. Alright, first up on our cosmic road trip is Olympus Mons, the daddy of all volcanoes. This bad boy is chilling on Mars, and let me tell you, it puts our little Mount Everest to shame. Imagine a volcano so massive, so ridiculously huge, that it makes Texas look like a tiny speck of dust. I'm talking 22 kilometers high, guys. That's like stacking 15 Burj Khalifas on top of each other. Can you imagine the kind of eruption that must have created this monster? Scientists believe Olympus Mons was formed over billions of years of lava flows. And the best part? Because Mars doesn't have tectonic plates like Earth, this giant volcano just kept growing and growing. It's basically a testament to the universe's philosophy: go big or go home. Next up, let's talk about our very own hood in space, the Milky Way galaxy. Now, we all know the Milky Way is big. But guys, it's mind-blowingly, ridiculously, unbelievably big. Picture this. Our galaxy is home to somewhere between 100 and 400 billion stars. That's more stars than there are grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. If you were to start counting them right now, 1 star per second, it would take you, get this, 3,000 years to finish. And that's just our galaxy. There are billions upon billions of other galaxies out there, each with their own crazy number of stars. It's enough to make you feel both incredibly insignificant and totally awestruck at the same time, right? Alright, time to get spooky, because now we're talking about black holes. These things are the ultimate cosmic vacuum cleaners. Nothing, not even light, can escape their gravitational pull. Imagine a giant space drain that sucks up everything in its path. That's a black hole for you. But here's the really trippy part. Time itself gets warped around a black hole. The closer you get, the slower time moves for you. And if you were to cross the event horizon, the point of no return, well, let's just say you wouldn't want to be wearing your favorite pair of jeans because you'd get spaghettified, stretched out like a cosmic noodle. Yeah, black holes are definitely not for the faint of heart. Alright, let's turn up the heat and talk about Venus, the hottest planet in our solar system. I'm talking surface temperatures that can melt lead. We're talking 475 degrees Celsius, folks. That's hot enough to bake a pizza in like 3 seconds flat. Venus is basically what would happen if Earth decided to go through a really intense hot yoga phase. And the worst part? The atmosphere is so thick and toxic that you wouldn't even be able to enjoy the view. So yeah, maybe we'll just admire Venus from a safe distance. Alright, time to put on our Sherlock Holmes hats, because we're about to dive into one of the biggest mysteries in the universe: dark matter. Here's the deal. Scientists estimate that a whopping 27% of the universe is made up of this mysterious stuff. But here's the catch. We can't see it. Like, at all. It doesn't emit light, it doesn't reflect light, it's basically a cosmic ninja. So how do we even know it's there? Well, we can observe its gravitational pull on other objects in space. It's like trying to figure out who stole the cookies from the jar based on the crumbs left behind. Dark matter is one of the biggest head-scratchers in astrophysics today. But hey, that's what makes it so fascinating, right? Next up, let's talk about the big guy, the one and only Jupiter. This gas giant is so massive that you could fit 1,300 Earths inside it. That's right, 1,300. And if that's not impressive enough, check this out. Jupiter has a storm that's been raging for over 300 years. I'm talking about the Great Red Spot. a swirling vortex of gas that's 3 times the size of our entire planet. Can you imagine the kind of weather report they have on Jupiter? Well, folks, the great red spot is still there, bigger and badder than ever, and it's showing no signs of letting up. Better pack your umbrella, just in case. Alright, get ready for this one, because it's a real mind bender. The universe, my friends, is constantly expanding. Like as we speak, galaxies are moving further and further away from each other. It's like the universe decided to take up yoga and discovered its love for the downward-facing galaxy pose. And here's the kicker, the expansion is actually accelerating. Scientists believe that a mysterious force called dark energy is behind this cosmic growth spurt. So yeah, the universe is getting bigger by the second. Which begs the question, what's it expanding into? Well, that's a question for another day, my friends. You know what they say, water everywhere, but not a drop to drink. Well, guess what? That's not entirely true. There's actually a massive cloud of water vapor floating around in space. And when I say massive, I mean massive. This cosmic water balloon contains 140 trillion times more water than all the oceans on Earth combined. That's enough water to fill up every swimming pool in the universe and still have some left over for a really epic water balloon fight. So yeah, next time you're feeling thirsty, just remember, there's a giant space cloud out there that could quench the thirst of like a billion trillion planets. Alright, let's talk about our nearest celestial neighbor, the moon. Now, we've all heard the phrase once in a blue moon, right? Well, on the moon, every day is a blue moon. A day on the moon lasts for 29.5 Earth days. That means you could spend 2 weeks basking in the sunlight and then 2 weeks in complete darkness. Talk about a long day at the office, right? And here's another fun fact. Because the moon has no atmosphere, sound cannot travel. So it's completely silent up there. It's like a giant soundproof recording studio in space. Alright, last but not least, we're heading to the coldest place in the known universe, the Boomerang Nebula. This cosmic refrigerator clocks in at a bone-chilling minus 272 degrees Celsius. That's just 1 degree above absolute zero, the point at which all molecular motion stops. To put that into perspective, if you were to stand in the Boomerang Nebula for even a second, you would freeze solid faster than you can say space popsicle. So yeah, maybe we'll just admire this cosmic icebox from a safe distance, preferably while wrapped up in a warm blanket with a cup of hot chocolate. So there you have it, folks. 10 mind-blowing space facts that prove the universe is way more bizarre and fascinating than we could ever imagine. Did any of these facts make your jaw drop? Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you enjoyed this cosmic adventure, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Fact Fusion for more mind-blowing content. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, keep exploring the universe.